Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In today's session, we will start with the bill of exchange part 2, specimen of bill of exchange. Okay, so let's begin. So in this question number 3, page number 304 of your government textbook, Mr. Kantilal is our drawer. 34 3D Palm Heights, Jogeshwari is his address. Date of birth is 10th October 2019. Okay. This question is based on qualified acceptance of time. Mr. Santilal, B2 Himalaya Towers, Baramati is our drawee and Miss Priyanka Satara is our pay. Drawer draw his bill for the period of 45 days, but drawee accept this bill for 60 days period. So let's move further for solution. So in this slide, first we will write on the top bill of exchange. Then we will write Mr. Kantilal 34 3D Palm Heights Jogeshwari is address. Then we will write the date of bill drawn, that is 10th October 2019. Then in the left corner we will write stamp and amount is 63,490 in figures. Okay. Then in the bill, then in below side we will write period of bill, that is 45 days after date paid to Priyanka Satara or her order. The sum of rupees 63,490 only for the value received. Then we will move further for drawer signature, and in right we will write the name of drawee and his address. So Mr. Shantilal is our drawee. Okay. B2 Himalaya Tower, Baramati is his address. Okay. Then the main part of the question is accepted along with for 60 days we will have to write. Okay. Now drawee signature and date, which is given 13th October 2019 in the question. So in the next slide we will solve question number 4 of bill of exchange specimen. So students, in question number 4 is very tricky question. So now first is the question. Rahul Sane 86D रविवार पेट नागपुर accepted the bill. That means ये मेरा यहाँ पे drawee है. Okay. Bill drawn on him by Prithviraj Icon Heights Wardha for 87,000 on 30th July 2019. Okay. So यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखो कि यहाँ पे ड्रॉई का नाम फर्स्ट है, ड्रॉवर का नाम सेकेंड है. The bill was drawn on 26 July 2019 for 1 lakh for 90 days after date. So now let's begin with the solution of this question. So in this slide, first we will write on the top bill of exchange, then drawer's name and address. Okay, here our drawer is Prithviraj, Icon Heights, Wardha. उनका एड्रेस है. द डेट ऑफ बिल ड्रॉन इज 26 जुलाई 2019. ओके. आफ्टरवर्ड वी स्टार्ट स्टैम्प एंड अमाउंट इज 1 lakh rupees. We will write in amount column. Okay. Now then 90 days after date paid to me or my order the sum of rupees 1 lakh only for the value received. इतना हमको मेंशन करना है. Then drawer Mr. Prithviraj signature we have to put in right side corner. And drawee's name and address we will have to write in left side corner. Drawee is Mr. Rahul Sane and his address is 86D Ravivar Pet, Nagpur. We will write in left side corner. Okay. Then in the main part of accepted, we have to write accepted along with for rupees 37,000 on 30th July 2019. Okay. We will write the signature of our drawee, that is Mr. Rahul Sane. Okay. The bill is accepted on 30th July 2019. Okay students. So this bill of exchange specimen is over. Now we will move to the next slide, question number 5 of your textbook. So students, in question number 5 we see that Kashmira Sar, partner of Messrs. Sa and Sa, 2C Matruchaya Building, Akola. Okay. Drawee Dhanshri Traders, Bangalore Road, Belgaum, signed by Jayashree partner. Okay. and payee Mrs. Janki Traders Akola है. Amount of the bill is 64,500. Period of bill is given 3 months. Date of drawing of our bill is 12 September 2019 and date of acceptance is 15 September 2019. तो यहाँ पे ये हमको ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे हमारे जो तीनों ड्रॉवर ड्रॉई पे तीनों पार्टीज़ हैं वो फॉर्म में है. ओके, और वो तीनों को हमको मर्ज करके ध्यान रख के हमको इस सम को सॉल्व करना है. So let's start with the question number 5 solution. Okay, here we will see that in place of drawer's name we will have to write the firm's name, जो कि क्वेश्चन में दिया है मिसेस सा एंड सा 2C मातृछाया बिल्डिंग अकोला. Date of bill drawn is 12 September 2019. Okay, so we will write afterward in left corner stamp and amount of the bill is 64,500 in figures. So period of the bill is 3 months. After the date pay, अभी यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखो कि यहाँ पे पे टू मी नहीं लिखना है, वहाँ पे क्या लिखना है, पे का नाम. पे का नाम यहाँ पे फॉर्म का नाम है. तो पे मेसर्स जानकी ट्रेडर्स अकोला और इट्स ऑर्डर. ओके, फॉर द सम ऑफ रुपीज़ 64,500 फॉर द वैल्यू रिसीव्ड. ओके, देन सिग्नेचर ऑफ ड्रॉवर, वहाँ पे कश्मीरा शाह का नाम लिखना है, वो पार्टनर है मिसेस शाह एंड शाह की. ओके, एंड इन द ड्रॉइज प्लेस टू धनश्री ट्रेडर्स बैंगलोर. ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट एक्सेप्टेड ऑन 15 September 2019 एस डी जयश्री. जयश्री का नाम क्वेश्चन में दिया है फॉर साइनिंग पर्पज, हु इज़ अ पार्टनर ऑफ धनश्री ट्रेडर्स. ओके, so this is the solution of question number 5. So in next slide we have to move on question number 6. So now let's start with the question number 6. In question number 6 में students क्या लिखा है, prepare a demand bill, okay, with imaginary drawer, drawee, address, amount and date. So यहाँ पे हमको जो bill of exchange बनाना है वो डिमांड बिल बनाना है, और यहाँ पे ड्रॉवर ड्रॉई एड्रेस अमाउंट एंड डेट हमको खुद से फिल करना है. ओके, हम ये क्वेश्चन में अपने अकॉर्डिंग टू ड्रॉवर ड्रॉई अमाउंट और डेट लिखेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 वहाँ पे आपने देखा कि इमेजिनरी क्वेश्चन ड्रॉ करना है हमको. ओके, सो अवर ड्रॉवर, हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉवर का नाम लिखा है शेखर देसाई, शास्त्री रोड महाड़. ड्रॉई शरद वर्मा, नारायणपेट पुणे. ओके, अमाउंट 3,500. पीरियड 3 months. डेट ऑफ बिल 21st June 2019 and bill accepted on 3,000 rupees on 25th June 2019. ओके, सो नाउ स्टार्ट करेंगे इसका सॉल्यूशन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. So let's begin with the solution of this question number 6. In this question, Mr. Shekhar Desai, Shastri Road, Mahar, okay, he is given. So we have to start with the first name of drawer. Okay, ध्यान में रखना name of drawer हमारा Mr. शेखर है, ड्रॉई शरद वर्मा है. Okay, so now start with the solution of bill of exchange. First we will have to write the heading of bill of exchange on the top. Okay, then we will write the name of drawer and its address and date of bill. यहाँ पे date of bill 21st June 2019 है. Then stamp and amount of bill we have to put in left side. Amount of bill is 3,500 is given. Then ये हमारा demand bill है. So on demand से हमको start करना है. Okay, so then we will write same procedure of writing of our specimen. खाली ध्यान में रखो जो पीरियड ऑफ बिल है वहाँ पे हम लिखे थे 3 month, 4 month, 90 days, 45 days. उसके जगह पे क्या लिखना है, ऑन डिमांड. और बाकी का सारा कंटेंट, सारा प्रोसीजर हमारा सेम है लिखने का. सो पे टू मी और माई ऑर्डर और सम ऑफ रुपीज़ 3,500 फॉर द वैल्यू रिसीव्ड. देन we have to put drawer signature Shekhar Desai. Then we have to write in left side to Sharad Verma, Narayanpet, Pune. Then we have to accepted this bill on 25th June 2019 for rupees 3000, and it is duly signed by Sharad Verma. Okay, now our 6 specimens are over. So in the next part we will continue with the calculation of due date, which is very important for bill of exchange questions. Okay.